Hello, I'm Josh Johnson with Covert Concepts Secret Door Company. Today I want to show you our Stealth Series wall mirror. It comes in a 56 by 13 inch size. It also comes in a 13 by 13 inch size. You can learn more about those on our website. All of our products are handmade here in the USA with solid cabinet grade woods. The back is padded with a soft velcro to help protect the finish of your valuables, such as weapons and jewelry. And it also makes it easy to arrange your pistols however you like. It comes with a concealed locking system and 2 adjustable shelves. You can choose from several different stock colors, or we can custom make one out of any species of wood. Any obstructions inside the wall, such as plumbing, electrical, wall ties, etc. Look for obstructions on the face of the wall, such as light switches, door trim, picture frames, etc. Next, you want to choose an inconspicuous location, such as next to the bathroom where people would expect a mirror to be hung. I would not recommend putting it in your living room or somewhere where it's not obvious that a mirror should be. You need to decide which direction the mirror will slide open. You can either have it slide to the left or slide to the right. Now what we're going to do is go over the tools that you're going to need to install your Stealth Series wall safe. First of all, you'll need a drill, and you have 6 screws that are actually going to come in the package. Next, you'll need a tape measure and pencil and a stud finder. You'll also need a handsaw to cut the drywall. I prefer using the actual fiend tool, which is a multi-tool, to cut the sheetrock. And you also need levels. Once you find the right location, you want to use your stud finder and find the studs. Place the stud finder on the wall like so. Push the button and move it one way or the other until it beeps. It's beeping, so that's the edge of my stud. I'll mark it on the wall. Now I'll go back the other direction, and it should be roughly 16 inches. And when it beeps again, you want to mark that stud, and you're done. Now you found the edges of your stud, so you can cut out. Once you found the studs, you want to mark the bottom of the mirror cutouts. I would recommend 16 inches minimum, and from the ground up, mark 16 inches. Now, from that point, I'm going to come up 57¼ inches. I'm going 57¼ inches because the actual structure of the mirror is 57 inches. And you want to give yourself a little bit of play. Now, once you got your measurements for your 16 inches from the bottom and your 57¼ from that point, you want to mark your uprights. And this is for your cutout. Now that we've made our lines, now we can start cutting. Next thing, once you cut your hole, now you need to take the mirror apart. You want to come over here and pull the slides back and push this button, just like so. Slide it off. Now you've got 2 parts and you have a lot lighter product to work with. Now that we've removed the mirror, now it's time to insert the frame into the wall. Put it in just like that. Take your level, level it up, grab a screw, and insert your first screw. Now, you also want to push in on this wall to make sure it's flush back here. But these screws are going straight into the stud. Make sure you don't want to put them in too tight. Still mess up the structure of your side. Now that we've installed it, now we need to install the mirror by simply extending the brackets in the back of the mirror. Connect the rails on top until it clicks. Come down here on the bottom rail. Install that until it clicks. Then you can slide it shut. Now that the mirror is installed, the cool thing about this is that you cannot see that there's an actual locking mechanism on the inside. It's all covered by the trim. So with the key, the magnetic key that's provided, you're going to put it over a certain spot that only you know. And once you hear that click, you can actually open your door up. Every one comes with 2 different shelves, and there's holes all the way up and down here. You can place these shelves anywhere you want. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our Stealth Series. We hope this video has been educational and helpful.